This entire 2 years, I never felt closer to God throughout my whole year, or throughout my 2 whole year. I promise you, elders and sisters, serve Him well. Do your best while you're here. Serve Him with all your heart, might, mind, and strength. It's not easy, but the Lord is upon thee, and He will strengthen thee, He will uphold thee.
I said goodbye to my own life, followed my heart more than 1,000 miles. I've lived the joy, I've known the pain, I felt the hand of God out on that frozen plain. I walked today on blistered feet, but now the echo of these canyon walls makes me wanna sing. I've never seen beautiful like a journey's end, when nameless faces become my best friends. I've never seen wonderful like walking on into this mountain fortress that God made of stone. I've never seen troubles rolling underneath the wheels like coming home. I prayed so hard my faith would last, buried my baby boy beneath the prairie grass. We all had nights we lie awake, prayed we would never be the ones who have the chance to say, I've never seen beautiful like a journey's end, when nameless faces become my best friends. I've never seen wonderful like walking on into this mountain fortress that God made of stone. I've never seen troubles rolling underneath the wheels like coming home. I thank my God on aching knees, I raise my hands and He hears me.
Hi! Elder Dimagiba, kumusta? Congratulations for returning with honor.
When balik ka sa Pindig, Elder. See you soon.
Hello, Elder Dimagiba. Well done. Mamimiss ka tata. Thank you sa pag-service dito sa Pindig branch. Sana bumalik ka dito sa Pindig para pumasyal.
Elder Dimagiba, balita namin, tapos na ba yung mission ko? Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. Pero I hope someday, Elder, balik ka uli rito sa Pindig para makita mo naman ang naging improvement ng labor nyo ito, yung work nyo, ng mga magagandang YSA natin, no? Parang yung nag-video ngayon, ayan siya. Ngayon, hopefully, parang kagaya ng mga ibang missionaries natin, bumabalik at bumibisita dito sa Pindig branch. Elder, huwag kalimutan, we love you so much, and we hope to see you soon.
Go.
Congratulations, Elder Dimagiba. The work is done, but continue to serve. Yay!
3, go!
Congratulations, Elder Dimagiba. Mag-asawa ka na!
Congratulations, Elder Dimagiba, for returning with honor in your hometown.
Ayun, congratulations, and we hope na ipagpatuloy mo kung ano yung mga ginawa mo dito sa mission at kung ano yung mga nasimulan mo dito. And I know na We know na malaking tulong yon ngayon sa ward mo and continue na maging light sa ibang tao.
Yay! Tapos ang mission! Ano nang susunod?
Go po.
Hi, Elder Dimagiba. Kumusta? Bisa namin si lahat. Mahal naman ka namin. Hindi kami namin kalimutan.
Sister, baka the message mo.
Ay, pasal ka. Kapag nga kalimutan.
Hi, Elder Dimagiba! So, ayun, malapit ka nang umuwi. Yung masasabi ko lang is, always continue to inspire other people, to share the gospel of Jesus Christ, and also to spread the love and kindness to other people also. And, ayun, ingat ka palagi, and you're the best and ever elder kasi sobrang galing mo, the way mag-teaching ka sa ibang tao. And, sobrang nami-miss na namin yun. Yung mga inspiring lessons and mga teachings na meron ka. Ayun, ingat ka palagi and kita-kits sa PDIG branch! Bye-bye! Okay, go press.
Hello, Elder Dimagiba. Kumusta? Alam ko po na nasa mabuting kamay ka, Elder. Kaya, thank you ako ng marami sa iyo kasi malaking tulong na nagawa mo dito sa PDIG branch. Hindi namin masusuklihan ng ano yan. Salapi o anumang bagay, kundi only ang ating lang Ama sa Langit ang makapagbibigay ng gantimpala sa iyo. So alam ko na masaya ang mga member na nakilala mo sa PDIG, lalo na sa amin, Leper Family. Malaking pasasalamat ko sa iyo, Elder, sa kagandang asal at kagandang pinakita mo sa amin bilang isang pamilya ito sa PDIG branch. Elder Dimagiba, maraming salamat at good luck sa panibagong journey ng buhay mo. Matatapos man na ang mission call mo, pero alam ko na ang calling na yan ay ipagpatuloy mo pa rin. Good luck, Elder Dimagiba.
Elder Dimagiba, welcome back home, dude. Congratulations on returning with honor. Super proud of you. Super thankful for all the time that we had together and for your help to me to be able to end strong on my mission. And I'm so glad that you're back. Really proud of you and excited to be able to chat and hang out with you more now.